What's up, fam? I'm sitting here today finna watch the game. Thought I'd cook me some catfish in my Masterbuilt. I got a few little time to do something. So I figured we're gonna get this started. We're gonna see what this turn out to do. We're gonna see how this thing fries some catfish, and we're gonna see how it is. We're gonna fill this up with some grease. Almost at the line. I think that might be pretty good. Ooh, wait. Waste a little bit, I'll get that up. All right, I already put one in there. So I got a little bit. Yeah, that's almost at the line. That'll be good. We're gonna let that heat up. I'm gonna come back in a minute. I got some catfish going on here. I'm gonna season it up real good, cornmeal it, and let y'all see this. But let this heat up, and I'll be back in a minute. Going down in Milwaukee, y'all. Catfish fry. Peas. Out of here. All right, what's going on, y'all? I'm about to rinse off this catfish. My grease is almost ready. Make sure I clean this off good for you. Oh, yeah, look at them catfish. Them gonna be some good pieces there, y'all. Ooh, they look good. I should have got some more, but I didn't want to be greedy. So get me and my wife, we get 3 apiece. We be out with some fries. Finish the game off. Just a little something, something. On a cheat day. That's all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that fish there, boy. Look at that fish, y'all. Ooh-wee. Look at that, y'all. Look at that catfish. We're going to let it drain. We're going to let it dry. About 5 minutes, I'm going to pat it down. And then we're going to season it up. And it's ready for the grease and the cornmeal. All right, we'll be back in a minute. All right, y'all. Look at here. We done let them drain. Look at that, look at that. Damn. Ooh-wee, they looking good. One thing about my catfish, I know y'all, my chicken was fried, I seasoned it heavy. But one thing about fish, don't season it too heavy because it'll be too salty, even for me. So I'm not gonna season it that salty. I'm just gonna put a little bit on, a little lard, not too much. A little garlic. A little onion pepper. Just a little slap your mama for a little seasoning. Not much, because you don't need much on your fish. Make it too much. A little Creole for some spice. All right. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Just a little bit for every bite. We don't need much. We don't want to be too salty. That fish ain't like chicken. It'll soak in here real good. You put too much on it, make the fish just taste like a thing of salt. I like seasoning. look at that there. I don't know how this is gonna come out in this Masterbuilt. I'm hoping it come out golden good, but we gonna see. I'm still playing with this sucker, y'all. I'm still playing with it. Me and the hen, we still playing around, y'all. And I'm gonna do some Louisiana, New Orleans style fish fry today. I'm gonna see how this work out. And I'm gonna put a little bit of cornmeal in here, just so I can try to get a real good golden crispy cover on top of it. Just not much. I'm just gonna use a little cornmeal, y'all. Just a little. Put a little seasoning salt in it. In my mix. A little onion pepper. Garlic, I should say, a little onion. Take this spoon, baby. We're gonna stir this in here real good. Stir that up real good, y'all. Look at it. Golden brown. That's how I hope this fish come out. Golden brown. I'm gonna be mad if it come out too good. I didn't fry enough to eat. But we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna put it in there. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna dip this in here like this. And see if it stick to it real good. Ooh-wee. Oh yes. Look at that, y'all. Ooh-wee. I don't mind getting dirty. If you don't get dirty, your food ain't right. That's what I feel. The messier the mess, the better the food. That's how I feel about it. Look at that. Look at that there. I'm talking about some catfish finna go down, y'all. About to go down. Get it all in between there. Ooh-wee. I gotta shake my head for a minute. The season is just all in my nose and everything. The season just smells so good. Can y'all? Oh, y'all said can't smell it. My fault. Y'all should smell it. Look at this here, y'all. Look at that catfish. Ooh-wee. We're gonna season them all, y'all. We're only putting 6 in here. We ain't being greedy. It's a cheat day, weekend. Get back on it during the week, but on the weekend I gotta treat myself for what I like, what my baby like, and we felt like some catfish today. I think my light might be ready. I think the Masterbuilt is ready. I think I'm gonna have to start putting my grease on a lot earlier, because it do take about 40 minutes for it to get hot. And I'll be sitting around here waiting. So now I'm gonna put the grease on. I'm learning as we go. We still playing, but I'm learning as we go. I'm learning. All right, there we go. All right, we're gonna open this sucker up. Ooh-wee. see my light is ready to go. Let me turn this around. Turn that around, babe. Turn around. Yeah. All right, y'all. We're gonna put these in here. And we're gonna try 3 at a time, just to see what happens. Look at that there. I put them 3 in. You know what? I'm gonna go bold. I got plenty of room in here. We're gonna cook all these suckers. One wok. Ooh-wee. All right, I'm gonna close it up. Give it about 5 minutes and we'll be back. We'll be back. I'm gonna go wash my hands so I can start doing some licking. I'm gonna start doing some licking. 825 North 7th Street. Watch out now. Ah, we'll be back in a minute, please. All right, y'all. We're gonna take a look real quick. See what we got so far. Ooh. We're gonna give it a couple more minutes. Watch out now. Oh, I think I'm gonna put a little fries on with this, and I'm gonna do some what kind of crunchy? What fries you like? What they call them? Crinkle fries. We're gonna do some crinkle fries, y'all. We're gonna do some crinkle fries. They're gonna be fish fries in a minute, though. Just hold on. Let's see what happens. We'll be back in a minute. Peace. All right, y'all. Here we go. I think they about ready, y'all. I think they about ready. All right. I ain't gonna rush them. I just had to check. Be right back. All right, y'all. Here's the test of the Masterbuilt. Let's see what's going down on this fish. It's quiet. It's awful quiet in there. So when it's quiet, I cook by sound. And it's awful quiet. So they said, help me. Take me out. Take me out. So I'm going to see what happens, y'all. Don't hate the player, hate the game, y'all. I didn't make it, I'm just playing it. Ooh, wee. Look at that, look at that. Turn it down, baby, turn it down. You gotta flip, they can't see the fish. Ooh. Look at that catfish, look at the catfish. Look at that catfish. Masterbuilt going down, y'all. Hey, you know what? Hold on, while y'all looking, I got some. I'm gonna go with some seasonal wedge potatoes real fast. I'm gonna drop them in here and see what happens. We're just gonna do a couple of them. Drop them in there. I don't need many. We just need a couple to go with the fish. Y'all see, we just gonna make a couple of them. Drop them down in there. Give them a couple minutes. Hey, y'all. I'm just saying. Look at here. Look. I ain't playing. Y'all see it yourself. Hold on. Look. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Don't even call me this time, y'all. Ain't nothing for sale. This is the person though right now. That's perfect. I'm just saying, y'all. I'm gonna hit you back when the fries come out and let you see it all together. But I'm sorry. This don't even call me, man. Peace. Be back. All right, y'all. We back. Let's see what these fries doing in here. Ooh, yes. Lord have mercy. Oh, blame it on the hen, y'all. Just blame it on the hen. Look at here, look at here. Bump that. There we go. I got something for that. I'll take you out. There we go. Whoa. That shit hot, y'all. All right. Ooh, sweating, y'all. Ooh, excuse me. It's hot. All right, look at here. Look at them fries. Look how they came out, y'all. Look at them fries there. Ooh, wait. Let me just show you. It's about to go down tonight at game time, y'all. Ooh, wait. All right. Hey, y'all, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for being found. Keep up with the videos. Like this if you like it. Subscribe. Comment. We'll get back to you. Going down to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. You ain't got to come to 825 North 7th Street today. This personal. Peace. We out of here. True. Is it good? I gotta eat, y'all. I gotta. She always like, wait, want me eating on the camera. We got it with some hot sauce, some fries, and bread. She done sat down and ate this fish. It must be good, y'all.
It's good.
Y'all hear me?
Catfish.
She love her some catfish. This must be off the train and she in here eating. I came back, I caught her. I had to cut the camera off. She doing it.
It's good.
Slap your mama good, huh, baby?
It's good.
Y'all always see me eating, but she eat too, y'all. Yeah. This must be real good. She couldn't wait to get on it.
It is. See y'all later.
All right, y'all. Peace. I just had to catch her eat. She always catching me. Peace.